Oh, that's okay. She can keep those.
Believe me, she has enough toys. She doesn't need your watch.
Thank you.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen and an additional 1 to 2 inches is forecast. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage in low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Richardson, Flower Mound, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hurst, Burleson, Farmers Branch, South Lake and Watauga.